So to minimize someone's pain and suffering, an insurance company usually makes the same argument. They're very predictable, almost robotic with how they respond. To minimize your pain and suffering, because it's very subjective, and this is the one area they can really make whatever argument they want to in order to reduce the amount that they pay. You know, the accident wasn't that bad, the property damage done or the incident photos don't look that shocking. You've treated for too long, you're trying to game the system and say that your pain and suffering is worse than it is by dragging out the care when you could have been done earlier. They'll even make claims that you're faking or that you're exaggerating. All of this allows them to reduce the total amount that they pay out. Insurance companies can be very difficult to reason with, especially when they've assumed a position and dug their heels in. It's often very difficult for them to drastically change their assessment once they've made it. So for this reason, it's very helpful to, at the very least, consult with a lawyer before you engage in communications with an insurance company, because once those settlement negotiations start, it can be hard to talk them down. It also can be very insulting. They can minimize the real human experience that you've lived through. Oftentimes they're seeing you as a claim number, not as a human being. A lawyer can help you prepare your claim and present it to them in a way that shows that you are an actual human being who has endured real pain and suffering, and help you get a settlement amount that is reflective of that. Experienced lawyer can also tell you, based on the particular facts of your case, what's a reasonable amount and when they're lowballing you. Before you move forward, talk with a lawyer, see what pain and suffering means for your particular case. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. There isn't a formula that you can do to arrive at a fair number. But if you have been in an accident, you do have a right to be made whole, and that includes pain and suffering or non-economic